that was his single, unique opportunity to say something to the priests and people of Scotland. And here are one or two of the things that he said. Dear priests of Scotland, you are called to holiness and to serve God's people by modelling your lives on the mystery of the Lord's cross. Preach the gospel with a pure heart and a clear conscience. He also then greets the monks and nuns and religious of Scotland and says, be a light on the hilltop, living an authentic Christian life of prayer and action that witnesses in a luminous way to the power of the gospel. Finally, there was a word for the young people. I would like to say a word to you, my dear young Catholics of Scotland. I urge you to lead lives worthy of our Lord and of yourselves. There are many temptations placed before you every day. Drugs, money, sex, pornography, alcohol, which the world tells you will bring you happiness, yet these things are destructive and divisive. There is only one thing which lasts, the love of Jesus Christ personally for each of you. Search for him, know him and love him, and he will set you free from slavery to the glittering but superficial existence frequently proposed by today's society. Put aside what is worthless and learn of your own dignity as children of God. We also think about praying for vocations, and he mentions vocations too and encourages young men and women to consider that.